What's up, y'all? It is Bella, TradingBae, back testing with Bella. So today I'm gonna show y'all how I got 65% scalping fix at the end of the day. It was $11 down using the Strat and ICT. So get straight into it. Let me go to trading view. Oh, matter of fact, let me fix my little thing. Y'all know my little thing be messing up. Y'all already know my little shit be messing up. It be messing up. Honestly. So y'all know yesterday, my birthday was yesterday, and my ex texted me, and now it's just like I'm just in like a type of feeling because it's like, boy, you left me for dead. You left me for dead. Why are you telling me happy birthday? I honestly didn't expect that. So yeah. All right, getting into the end of the day on SPX. Let's see. Yeah. Shit, let me clear my chart. Let me flip my chart because y'all don't know what's going on. Alright, so this is back tested SPX at the end of the day. Honestly, I wanted to take some of these things off my chart. I'll leave that. Alright, so I traded SPX at the end of the day. I traded it in puts. It was from here. It was exactly from here. I rode the wave down. Well, actually, I got in from here. I got in around 408. Yeah. Oh, no. I'm sorry. This is from 10:45 a.m. My bad. So this was towards the end of the day. I got in from here. And I'll post a screenshot too in between my videos. So you guys can see exactly when I got in and when I got out. Showing my receipts today because I bring the receipts, I bring the heat. So I got it from here. So just press the replay from here. So this is towards the end of the day. This is after 1 p.m. You guys already know how I hit the scalps after 1 p.m. I'll put it in a text what I do. I use the 15-minute, I use the 5-minute, and I use 2-minute. I use 2 minutes for entries. I use 5 minutes for breakup structure. And then I use the 15-minute, marking the highs and the lows of the day. So using that, just sit somewhere over here, and then we'll get straight into it. So going from here, this is the high of the day, and then here is the low of the day. So there was also a gap. There was a gap from this morning, and then the market was basically bullish today, and then there was a pullback, of course. I knew it would be a pullback. So yeah, from here. So marking the high of the day, the low of the day, it's 1 p.m. right now. I'm looking up here. So I'm like, okay, either it's going to take out this upside liquidity, or, let me change this. Or it's going to go back and retest that fair value gap. But my targets was for lower. I had my targets set for target set for here. And then I have my target set somewhere down there. I didn't really necessarily have it too far because it's just a scalp and I want to see how far it can go. So going down to the 5-minute chart, I'm like, okay, it broke the structure here. Every time there's a break of structure, it usually runs over a little bit, but then it's always the pullback. Like, it's always a pullback. That's just the ICT concept. And if you guys need more explaining, then I recommend that you go to the Inner Circle Trader and just look at his videos. You know what I'm saying? Because I may not be explaining it in a way that you will understand. So I'm gonna make this line yellow because that's the break of structure on a 5-minute chart. So I'm like, okay, cool. It filled the fair value gap on a 5-minute chart. So either it's gonna run through this fair value gap and take out the upside liquidity like I thought it would, but there was a pullback. So look at that 2-minute chart. I'm like, okay, there's also an order block. There's an order block. I made that order block orange. And y'all know what order blocks is. Like when it's bearish, that means it felt swing higher, or when it's bullish, it felt swing lower. So at this order block, I'm like, okay, I wouldn't necessarily have hopped in for calls because first of all, it's way too late. Like this is not no good setup. So I'm waiting on my next setup to pop in. So here was a great setup for me. That was a great setup for me. So this one I entered somewhere around here, 408, and then I had my stop loss at around 415. I had it above this liquidity over here. Because if it went above here, it was taking out the whole upside. So that was what mean, okay, you just got to get your ass out. So that's what I had it for. But then I had my target points very low. So yeah, I want you guys to see how this plays out. I'm going to go to the 5-minute chart though. And then I'm also going to zoom in so you guys can see more clear. So as you guys can see, it never reached my stop loss. And that's why I gave myself some room because I'm like, yeah, just gave myself some room because I hate getting stopped out of my trades early, like, and then it goes to where I thought it would go. So here is when it made the real move. It was like some type of push up on a 15-minute chart. And going back to the 15-minute chart, you guys can see. And then that's when it decided to go like, okay, it's going to go down now. So there, I think I actually had my first target here, and I had my second target there, and then I had my third target here. Sorry, you guys will see when I add the proof because I did screenshot it before and after on how my trade played out today, and yeah, it went to where I thought it was gonna go, but when it broke this 2 right here, I eventually cut it, and you guys will see when I add the proof in my chart, when I add my receipts on the trade that I took today. I had a line marked for if it passes 103 or 102 that I would exit my trade. So that is where I exited, and it was actually a good thing that I did exit my trade because that shit bounced up and that would have caused me to get clapped. So I did take a light 65% today, and I'm totally happy with that. Also, I decided I'm not going to keep uploading the amount of money I make a day, because yeah, I don't need everybody counting my pockets, you know what I'm saying? I don't need people watching me. But yeah, that is how I scalp SPX at the end of the day. You guys will even see here, even if I remove my chart, when it went here, that's a resistance point. It went there, it went down. Look, it went there, it went down. It's back at this point. It went down and then it TTO'd up, but it didn't necessarily break the structure. It never passed 4112.53, so it wasn't really safe entry for calls yet. And then it went here again, and then that's when my trade hit for me, and I was able to take a light 65% on the day. So yeah, that is how I traded my quick put today, $11 down. And honestly, I'm gonna make another video, something called like what is the strat, or everything you need to know about ICT. And that everything you would need to know is just basically everything that I know and how I trade my style. I am not a financial advisor, and like I said, if you guys need extra help or you guys just need better understanding, it's just best to go directly to the source, which is Inner Circle Trader, the ICT, or you can go to Rob Smith or Sarah the Strat Sniper for the strat. So yeah, this is my video for today, and I hope you guys have a great day. And if you guys have any questions, then go ahead and hit the DM. I probably answered about 45 DMs from different people, just helping different people, and I love it. So yeah, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because first of all, I need to be put in the YouTube algorithm, because I'm giving too much free game, and plus I'm uploading the proof, so ain't shit cap over here. But yeah, anyways, I'll be back tomorrow. Peace, guys.